Don't be that person who buys a super awesome looking mask and shows up to the dive boat with all your fancy gear and has a super foggy mask. So do the right thing. So we can pick up this mask cleaner at any local dive shop. Here we got $6.99 plus tax. And that gets you, I've cleaned probably 4 or 5 masks with the original cleaner I got. Brand new, awesome mask. Found it at a local shop, which I was super stoked about, and had the perfect opportunity to have to clean it. Here we see super simple instructions. Apply a small amount to the inside then the outside. Rub aggressively, rinse, and then repeat. As you can see, a little bit of fog before I clean it. Don't be afraid to get in there. The more aggressive you are now, the better a mask you're going to have later. The last time I did this, I actually drove from the dive shop to the beach and cleaned it in my car, the back of my car, and then walked up to the shower that was off the beach and rinsed it there. So seriously, this can be done anywhere. Just it has to be done. So most people don't know this, that masks, when you buy them, the manufacturers put a clear coating on the inside and outside of the lens to make it less scratchable, and we need to clean that off before we first use it. So everything's looking good. The whole process went well. Let's put it to the test. Now here I may lose a few people. I prefer to just straight spit in my mask, the greener, the cleaner, and then rub it in a little bit. But other people prefer to buy commercially produced defog solutions. There's plenty of great options out there. Just find which one you prefer. Some people like to rinse it off and then put it on their face. I like to just hop in the water and then take the mask off a little bit, let that cold water rush on my face, it slows my heart rate down, and then it cleans my mask at the same time. Win, win, win. And this mask is awesome, fits great, and super clear lenses. So